Hello everyone, hope you're doing well and welcome to my channel. Today we will try to understand about event viewer. By the name of that, we can easily understand that it's regarding under viewing the events that had taken place on a system. So say this is actually being used by the admin to check if there has been any error encountered and what was the reason behind that error. And using this, it helps the admin and IT person to resolve that issue easily because it will because this the event logs are quite detailed and it gives a lot of information regarding that event. Today, I want we will be discussing about two specific logs which sounds really similar. One being the application log and another being the application and service log. These two sounds really similar and the purpose they serve are also similar. They record the events that is related to applications, but the difference come where show how they show the logs. By that I mean, say we are taking an example in a library. What happens? Say there is a section for non-fictional books. Here, this non-fiction book may contain different consist of different topics, say history, geography, or mathematics. Now, application log is similar to the group of books present, whereas application and service log can be defined and it's similar to the different topic of the non-fiction book. So here, what I'm trying to explain is that application log will contain the event for all the applications that are installed on the system. And whereas the application and service log, it's like having all the application information, but in separate subfolders. So it will be easier to find the event related to a specific application and service log compared to the application logs. And this is the difference between these two logs. And yeah, thank you so much for viewing this video. And if you have any suggestions or if you have any queries, kindly let me know in the comment. Thank you so much.